Have you ever walked into your home and felt overwhelmed before you even sat down? Every item that doesn't serve you is calling out to you. Manage me, fix me, use me. And while you're handling stuff, your stuff is handling you. But here's the truth: you are much more valuable than those things. Welcome back to the Life Work Balance Blueprint channel. I'm Ann, your Life Work Balance coach with over 30 years of experience helping people create intentional habits around wellness, balance, time management, and purpose driven living. Today's video is part two of our popular decluttering series. Shout out to the folks who either dropped a comment on the last video or let me know via text or email that they really found value in the last video. If you missed part one, I'll link it for you down below. We're going to talk about planning, emotional resistance, and how to create space for what matters starting today. David Allen, author of Getting Things Done, The Art of Stress-Free Productivity, says no matter what the setting, there are 5 discrete stages that we go through as we deal with our life, our work, and their consistent inputs and changes. Getting things under control, whether that's in your kitchen or in your company, will incorporate them. And each of these separate aspects has its own best practices and tools and must work together with the rest of a whole to produce that wonderfully productive state of being present amid all the complexity. Hmm. This quote highlights the fundamental process for managing and gaining control over tasks and commitments. It outlines a systematic approach to tackle whatever demands our attention, regardless of the specific context. We're going to have to let go of what no longer serves us. And in the process, you'll unlock space for peace, healing, and the people and priorities that truly matter. A lot of us start decluttering in the wrong spaces and we burn out very quickly. So, one pro tip I have for you is to start in a room that holds less emotional value. That might be a kitchen drawer, a hallway closet, or your bathroom shelf. Try to stay away from starting in like your children's room or a box of old clothes tied to your past identity. Starting in a neutral space gives you a sense of momentum without the emotional baggage attached. Decluttering doesn't have to feel heavy when you're being strategic about it. Here's a mindset reset. The things that no longer serve me are blocking the life that does. Wow. Whether it's a chipped mug, a pile of unopened mail, or jeans that haven't fit me in 7 years, letting go gives me power back and it'll give it to you too. When you remove excess, you reduce decisions. When you reduce decisions, you reclaim time. And when you reclaim time, you rediscover peace. And that is the blueprint. Before I share a bonus tip, if you've made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. Please type in the comments the word of the day: plan. Here's our bonus tip: pantry peace equals daily ease. Let's talk about the silent chaos creeping behind those closed doors, right? We call it pantry clutter. When your pantry is packed with expired, duplicate, or untouched items, it slows down your meal planning, wastes money on forgotten ingredients, adds daily decision fatigue. It's a real thing. And it keeps you in a loop of disorganization. But when your pantry is clean, labeled, and intentional, you cook with clarity. You buy only what you need, and you feel more in control of your space as well as your mental health. Decluttering our pantries is a small act with powerful ripple effects. You're not just making room on a shelf, you're making room for peace. Decluttering isn't about becoming a minimalist. It's all about choosing what deserves your energy. So for this week, I challenge you to start with one space, make one powerful let go decision, and celebrate your progress. If you so choose, please comment below what room are you starting with this week. I hope you found value in today's video. If so, please share it with a friend or a colleague who might also find value. Like and subscribe for more on intentional living, balance, as well as purpose. And until next time, go do something that makes your soul happy.